$20, 000 a month? You bet. Want to make serious cash online? Imagine making enough money to not just pay your bills, but to live comfortably and even splurge on things you love. Like enough to quit your day job cash. Of course you do. Picture yourself waking up without an alarm, working from anywhere and having the freedom to pursue your passions. Everyone dreams of being their own boss, setting their own hours, and raking in the big bucks. It's not just a fantasy, it's a real possibility. But what if I told you there's a proven path to earning over $20, 000 a month, using something you probably already have? Your phone? Yes, that device you use every day can be your ticket to financial freedom. No, I'm not talking about those shady get-rich-quick schemes. I'm talking about YouTube, a platform where countless people have turned their passions into profits. Specifically, I'm talking about copying what's already working, observing successful channels and understanding what makes them tick. It's not about reinventing the wheel, folks. It's about leveraging proven strategies and making them your own. It's about finding a winning formula and making it your own, adapting and improving on what already works. You might be thinking, but Gary, isn't that like stealing? Isn't it unethical to copy others? Nope, it's called smart business. It's about being strategic and innovative within a proven framework. Think about all the successful businesses out there. How many of them are truly original ideas? Very few. How many of them are truly original ideas? Most are just smarter, better versions of what already exists. Most are just smarter, better versions of what already exists. They take a good idea and make it great. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take what's working and elevate it. Ready to change your life? Let's dive in. This journey could be the start of something amazing. Remember Dinzu? This adorable dog took YouTube by storm with his hilarious antics, racking up millions of views and making his owner a fortune. But here's the kicker. Dinzu wasn't doing anything extraordinary. He was just being a dog. The secret sauce? His owner tapped into a universal truth. People love animals, especially when they're being funny. By simply filming Dinzu's everyday life and adding some witty commentary, they created a viral sensation. And guess what? Dinzu isn't a one-hit wonder. Countless other channels have popped up, following the same formula and achieving similar success. Which brings me to my next point. Take Fluffy Friends, for example. They saw what Dinzu was doing, saw the potential, and went for it. They started filming their cat Mittens, getting into all sorts of mischief. They added some funny voiceovers, edited the videos well, and bam! Fluffy Friends became a smash hit, pulling in thousands of dollars each month. The takeaway: you don't need a Hollywood budget or a once-in-a-lifetime idea to make it big on YouTube. You just need to know what works and replicate it. And trust me, this strategy works like gangbusters. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, Gary, but how do I actually this? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this essay, I'm going to break down the exact steps to replicate the success of channels like Dinzu and Fluffy Friends. Even if you're a complete beginner. No prior experience? No problem. Tech skills non-existent? Not an issue. We'll be using powerful, easy-to-use tools that do all the heavy lifting for you. Think ChatGPT for generating video ideas and scripts, 11 Labs for creating professional-sounding voiceovers, and CapCut for seamless editing. This is your chance to finally cash in on the YouTube gold rush. Ready to get started? Let's go. Section 5. Think like a dog, unlocking the viral code. So we know animal videos are hot, but what kind of content really gets those views skyrocketing? The answer lies in tapping into the human psyche. We're drawn to humor, relatable situations, and heartwarming moments. Think about what makes you laugh when you see animals doing their thing. Maybe it's a clumsy cat trying to jump on a counter, a dog chasing its tail, or a parrot mimicking its owner. These everyday moments, captured and presented with a humorous spin, are pure gold. Remember, the key is to make it relatable. People should watch your videos and think, oh my god, my cat does the exact same thing. That's how you build a loyal following that keeps coming back for more. Section 6. Render dark, your secret weapon. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, this all sounds great, but where do I even begin? That's where Render Dark comes in. This incredible course is your one-stop shop for mastering the art of YouTube success, specifically using the viral animal video formula. Render Dark will teach you everything from finding the perfect niche to optimizing your videos for maximum views, and most importantly, monetization. You'll learn how to create engaging content, build a loyal audience, and turn your passion into a profitable business. Trust me, investing in your education is the best investment you can make, and Render Dark provides incredible value. giving you all the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in the competitive world of YouTube. Section 7. Lights, camera, action, building your video empire. Alright, let's get practical. Creating viral animal videos is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Find your star. Got a pet with personality? That's fantastic. Congratulations, you've got your star. No pet? No problem. Borrow your friend's dog or feature neighborhood strays. The key is to find an animal that can capture hearts. People love all kinds of animals. From dogs and cats to rabbits and birds, every pet has its charm. Step 2. Capture the cuteness. Start filming. Don't overthink it. Just let your pet be itself. Capture your animal being itself. Authenticity is key. Funny moments, quirky habits, adorable interactions, it's all good stuff. These are the moments that make viewers smile. Step 3. Edit like a pro without being a pro. This is where tools like CapCut come in. They make editing accessible and fun. Trim the fat, add transitions, and create a visually appealing flow. Make sure your video is engaging from start to finish. Don't worry, we'll dive deeper into editing later. For now, just get comfortable with the basics. Step 4. Sound and music magic. Add some upbeat music and sound effects to enhance the humor and engagement. The right audio can make a huge difference. Remember, sound is half the experience. Good audio can elevate your video to the next level. Step 5. The title and thumbnail tango. Craft an attention-grabbing title and thumbnail that accurately reflects your video's content and entices viewers to click. This is your first impression, so make it count. Step 6. Hit publish and promote. Upload your masterpiece to YouTube, share it on social media, and watch the views roll in. Engage with your audience and keep the momentum going. Section 8. Unleash the AI powerhouse, from ideas to voiceovers. Now let's talk about leveraging the power of AI to streamline your video creation process. Imagine having a digital assistant that can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Stuck in a creative rut? ChatGPT to the rescue. This AI marvel can help you brainstorm and generate fresh ideas when you're feeling stuck. This powerful AI can generate tons of video ideas based on your chosen animal niche. Just ask. Whether it's quirky facts or engaging stories, ChatGPT has got you covered. Writing witty and engaging scripts can be tough. The pressure to be creative on demand can be overwhelming. But guess what? ChatGPT can do that too. It can craft scripts that are not only engaging but also tailored to your style and audience. Feed it your video idea and watch it churn out a hilarious script. It's like having a professional writer at your fingertips. Don't have the perfect voice for voiceovers? Feeling self-conscious about your narration skills? No worries. 11 Labs can create realistic and expressive voiceovers in different languages and accents. It's like having a team of voice actors ready to bring your script to life. Need eye-catching images or graphics for your videos? Visual appeal is crucial in capturing your audience's attention. Tools like ImageFX can help you create stunning visuals in a snap. From thumbnails to in-video graphics, it has you covered. By using these AI tools, you can automate and simplify your workflow, making your video creation process more efficient and less stressful, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating amazing content. Embrace the future of video creation with AI and watch your productivity soar. Section 9. Editing magic, polishing your masterpiece. Editing is where your raw footage transforms into a captivating story. CapCut, our trusty video editing app, makes this process a breeze. Sync your AI-generated voiceover with your video clips, ensuring a smooth and engaging viewing experience. Add text to emphasize key moments, highlight funny actions, or provide context for your viewers. CapCut offers various fonts and styles to make your text pop. Use transitions to connect different scenes and create a natural flow. Add sound effects to enhance the humor or drama of specific moments. Remember, good editing is invisible. It should enhance the viewing experience without distracting from the content itself. Section 10. The final touch is sound, thumbnails, and success. Well-placed sound effects can amplify the humor and engagement of your videos. Think cartoonish boings, sproings, and wows to emphasize funny animal antics. CapCut has a library of sound effects, or you can find free ones online. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. It needs to be eye-catching and enticing. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating custom thumbnails that stand out. Use bright colors, bold text, and close-ups of your animal star's cutest expressions. Upload consistently to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Aim for at least once a week, or even better, 2 to 3 times a week. Section 11. The long game consistency is king and queen. Listen up, folks. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, hard work, and most importantly, consistency. Don't get discouraged if your first few videos don't go viral. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep putting out that awesome content. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. They faced challenges, learned from their mistakes, and never gave up, and neither should you. So, what are you waiting for? Start copying, start creating, and start building your own $20,000 a month empire today.